Hey y'all! Today I'm going to take you through a super quick demo on how to quickly import library resource modules into your Canvas courses from the Canvas Commons. We're going to start on your Canvas homepage and click on the Commons button on the lower left side of the page. From here, we'll type Allara Library in the search bar. And this is going to bring up all 20 of the subject-specific modules that we've created. If you glance through, you'll notice different kind of broad subject areas that these modules are kind of specifically geared towards. I'm going to select one of these to demo. Let's go with the business one right here. When you click on a module, you'll see a quick preview of the content within that module. Typically, this contains our research guide for the subject, some databases that are relevant to that subject, our citation styles research guide, and usually a handful of relevant video tutorials from our UPike Libraries YouTube page. To add this module to your course, click the blue Import/Download button on the right, and then select which courses you would like to add this to. I'm going to go with our sandbox page for now. And then click the blue Import into Course button to make it happen. After a minute, you should be able to see the module in your course. Just go to the course in Canvas, and it should be in the Modules section. Scroll down. There we go. If it hasn't appeared yet, wait another minute and refresh the page. Sometimes it takes a bit longer than you expect for it to import. And that's about it. If you have any questions or run into any issues, reach out to us at Allara and we'll be glad to help. Thanks for watching.